Aflatoxin. B1. ELISA Rapid Test Kit Operation Video. The operator should wear laboratory coat, mask, and gloves. 1. Preparations. All kit components must be at room temperature before use. Solution preparation. Solution 1. 60% methanol solution. Dilute methanol solution with deionized water at the volume ratio of 3:2. That is 3 parts of methanol solution and 2 parts of deionized water, and mix well for use. Solution 2. Wash solution. Dilute the concentrated wash solution with deionized water at the volume ratio of 1:9. That is 1 part of concentrated wash solution and 9 parts of deionized water. 2. Sample pretreatment. Mix the tested sample well. Grind the sample about 3 to 4 times. Pass the ground sample through a 20 mesh screen. Weigh out 5 grams of ground sample into a 50 milliliters centrifuge tube. Add 25 milliliters of 60% methanol solution and mix well. Tighten the cover. Shake or vortex for 5 minutes, or blend vigorously for 10 minutes on an oscillator. Place the centrifuge tube symmetrically in the centrifuge. Centrifuge for 5 minutes at 4,000 revolution per minute, or after standing for 3 minutes, filter with quantitative filter paper to obtain the top layer liquid. Transfer 1 milliliters of top layer liquid and add 4 milliliters deionized water. Blend and mix well. Take 50 microliter of solutions for assay. 3. Test procedure. Place the appropriate number of test wells into a micro well holder. Be sure to reseal unused wells in the Ziploc bag with desiccant stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Number the microwells for the standards and samples separately, and record the position of standard and samples. Running standards and samples in duplicate in this video. Add 50 microliters of standards and samples to the appropriate test wells. Dispense 50 microliters of enzyme conjugate into each test well, and dispense 50 microliters of antibody solution into each test well. Shake the plate gently to mix contents. Cover the plate rack and incubate the test wells at 25 degrees Celsius, keeping away from light for 15 minutes. While waiting for the reaction, turn on the HF 4500 microplate reader. Set the parameters and wait for the test. Open the cover on the plate carefully and dump the contents of the wells into an appropriate waste container. Fill the wells to overflowing with wash solution and dump. Repeat for a total of 4 to 5 washes. Following the last wash, tap the inverted wells onto absorbent paper to remove the remaining wash solution. If there are bubbles that have not been removed after drying, the unused tip can be used to pierce and then tap to dry. Dispense 100 microliters of substrate solution into each test well. Shake the plate gently to mix contents. Cover the plate rack and incubate the test wells at 25 degrees Celsius, keeping away from light for 5 minutes. Dispense 50 microliters of stop solution into each test well. Shake the plate rack gently to mix. Read and record the absorbance of the wells at 450 nanometers. Using a plate reader within 5 minutes. 4. Result interpretation and analysis. Please use the professional analysis software for calculation, which is more accurate and fast to get result for large amount of samples. If you are equipped with HF 4500 microplate reader, you can directly analyze your samples on this instrument. Please refer to the operating instructions of the HF 4500 microplate reader for relevant operations.